Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to slay your lace frontal and also how to apply it. I'm going to go through this with you guys step to step so you can know how to really work and slay your frontal so that you don't have to be taking out your wigs all the time, and also you can rock this for at least 1 to 2 weeks just to keep it together and keep it very tight and secure. Ladies, summer is coming and we don't want to be like having like the wind all over the place or our hair looking like bad. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to really lay your frontal. If you like to know how to slay your frontal, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. First, I'm going to get a wig cap, and you always want to make sure that your wig cap is the same color as your scalp. I'm going to place that over my head, make sure it's right on your forehead and tight and secured. And I'm going to go in with my Got2b glue. I'm going to apply that right on my hairline, spread it out a little bit more. Then I'm going to be applying the Got2b spray. If you want a really good result, you want to use both together. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out the part of the wig cap where I did not place glue on. They just want to press it down, make sure it's properly secured and tacky. Just want to make sure that the glue is a little bit clear. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out the rest of the sides and just pretty much pull the wig cap behind my ears. You don't want anything showing at all. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is tacky and is cleared, is not showing white anymore. So this is the wig I'm going to be installing on my head. I got this hair from AliGrace, and it's a really good hair. I'm going to leave the link down below. So I just want to make sure that I pull the hair as close as possible to my hairline. And then just press it down with my comb. If you feel like you need more glue, just go ahead and apply some of the spray. But I think I'm pretty much good because I pretty much applied a lot of spray on my head. So I'm just pressing that down to make sure it's really tight and secured. So I'm just cleaning out any glue that's left on my forehead. I'm just going to take out some pieces in the front and just trying to create some baby hair. Sometimes you have wigs that come with baby hair already, but this one doesn't, so I'm just gonna like take out a few pieces out and just like trim it a bit so I can look natural right in the front. So I'm just gonna take my Ecco styling gel and just apply that right on. I'm not trying to like have it like glued on my head. I just want to make it like fall really nicely in the front and also style properly when it's dried. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie my scarf over that area just to keep it nice and firm. after I'm done, I pretty much just went ahead and used my wad and just like curled it in, and I sprayed some of that L'Oreal hairspray on it. So I pretty much just styled it and everything just to get it more curly and looking fuller. And I really love this wig. Like, I'm loving this color. Like, summer's around the corner, so I'm ready to like slay like bright colors like this. I hope this video helps someone out there. I really, like, you see how I lay my frontal is very easy, so you guys can also do the same if you're trying to keep your wigs on for at least more than a week or more than a couple of days. You can actually have this hairdo on your head for at least 1 to 2 weeks. I hope this helped. I mean, you see how I styled it. I pretty much just use my wad and just like make like big curls and things just to like get it looking fuller and fluffy and sexy. So just to show you guys how it looks, I hope this helps, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.